Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best 3D printers available on the market for prototyping. The output from this printer will be crucial in determining the concept and design of your prototype, so it's important to consider all aspects of the printer when making a decision. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we have done the research and rounded up the top 5 3D printers for prototyping, and narrowed down the list to what are the best options available. That printer is used in any condition or market to get the best prototype quickly and accurately. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is our Chidi Technology CF Pro 3D printers. Introducing the revolutionary Chidi Technology CF Pro 3D printer, the ultimate tool for your prototyping needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, this printer is designed to deliver the best results when printing with carbon fiber and high-temperature nylon filaments. The CF Pro is designed to efficiently tackle the most rigid materials, featuring a state-of-the-art single extruder system. Equipped with high-temperature alloy material and dual-gear extrusion, printing with carbon fiber has never been more accurate or had a longer service life. With its high-speed extruder, you can effortlessly print other standard filaments like PLA, ABS, and PETG. The CF Pro's precision manufacturing process is truly unmatched. Industrial-grade dual Z-axis and industrial guide allow for high precision and fast printing. Its upgraded XYZ structure, using industrial slides and a PEI printing plate, ensures consistently perfect prints every time. But its new automatic intelligent leveling mode sets the CF Pro apart. With up to 20 points of calculation, this printer takes the guesswork out of leveling and allows you to focus on your designs. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 2 is official Creality 3D printer. Regarding 3D printing, the official Creality Ender 5S1 3D printer is a top choice for producing high-quality prototypes quickly and efficiently. Its advanced motion system and standalone motors can cut printing time by up to 75%, giving you more time to focus on refining your designs. The standout segment of this printer is its clog-free direct extrusion, which can easily handle various materials. Thanks to the titanium heartbreak and corrugated heatsink, the extruder can maintain a consistent temperature and prevent heat creep, ensuring smooth and reliable printing. The all-metal cube frame and smart sensors make this printer a reliable tool for any project. The CR Touch probe allows for precise 16-point bed leveling, while the filament runout sensor and power loss recovery ensure that your prints are always successful. Finally, the sticky and bendable PC build surface makes removing your printed models a breeze. With its magnetic base and frosted PC surface, you can easily install, publish, and remove your designs with minimal hassle. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 3 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. Get ready to bring your ideas to life with the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer, the ultimate tool for creating high-quality concept models at lightning-fast speeds. This 3D printer boasts a 25% larger build volume than its predecessor, allowing you to print more significant and better prototypes. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is equipped with a Smart Extruder Plus, resulting in over 160,000 hours of testing to ensure consistent and reliable performance. Using MakerBot PLA material, you can produce superior quality prototypes that accurately reflect your vision. The MakerBot Replicator Plus features a range of intelligent technologies, including an LCD, onboard camera, and USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it incredibly easy to use. The new grip surface reduces warping and curling, ensuring your creations turn out precisely as intended. With the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer, you can unleash your creativity and explore a world of endless possibilities. The package includes everything you need to get started, including a spool of PLA, a flexible build plate, power, and USB cables. So if you want to purchase this amazing printer, check the link in the description box below. Number 4 is GITech Upgraded Multicolor 3D Printer. Are you looking for a fun and creative way to bring your ideas to life? Let me introduce you to the GITech Upgraded Multicolor 3D Printer, the perfect tool for creating unique and eye-catching prototypes. With the ability to print in multiple colors, the GITech Upgraded Multicolor 3D Printer lets you say goodbye to dull monochrome printing and hello to a world of endless possibilities. Want to mix 2 colors of filament to create a brand new shade? No problem! With the mixed color printing mode, you can create a gradient effect that will leave your prototypes looking stunning. The GITech Upgraded Multicolor 3D Printer also comes equipped with 3D touch auto leveling and a 32-bit silent motherboard, making the printing process a breeze. And with the all-metal body structure and dual Z-axis screws, you can rest assured that your prototypes will be printed precisely and accurately. So, if you're a professional designer or someone looking to explore their creative side, the GITech Upgraded Multicolor 3D Printer is the perfect tool for bringing your ideas to life. If you are interested in the Entina 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Lotmax Shark V3 3D Printer. Get ready to dive into 3D printing with the Lotmax Shark V3 3D Printer, the perfect tool for all your prototyping needs. Thanks to its user-friendly features and advanced capabilities, this printer is an excellent choice for beginners and experts. What sets the Shark V3 apart is its intelligent G-sensor auto-leveling, which ensures accurate and precise prints every time. Its modular design allows for easy assembly and compatibility with different filaments, such as PLA, PLA+, ABS, and flexible filament. You can even switch to laser engraving and etch your designs onto wood, leather, or craft paper. Thanks to its innovative night mode, the Shark V3 is the perfect companion for nighttime printing. You can quickly work in low-light environments with LED lights on the print head. And, for a more peaceful printing experience, the ultra-silent drivers ensure noise won't be an issue. Not only is the Shark V3 a powerful machine, but it also boasts a large printing size of 9.25 by 9.25 by 10.43 inches / 235 by 235 by 265 millimeters. The assembly process is quick and straightforward, taking only 10 minutes with a few screws. So if you buy the Mini 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for prototypes. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.